Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this watch can basically do everything. This is the Apple Watch Series 9, and it has GPS and cellular. It's in a 45mm case, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is the silver stainless steel case and the Blue Storm Sport Band. This is my husband's watch, and he absolutely loves it. It is a great way to seamlessly integrate all of your Apple devices. You can open your MacBook with this, and you can do so many things with it. It is awesome. So this is definitely a very powerful, super fast watch. It has tons of features that give you insights into your health and safety and activity, which is awesome. And the nice thing about having the cellular is that you can make calls, text, stream music without even having your phone nearby. So it's a great way to stay connected, even if you don't have your phone in reach. And I really love all of the fitness features. You can actually track your workouts, your fitness, your blood oxygen, your ECG, heart rhythms. There's so many things that give you extra peace of mind by using this watch. This watch even has fall detection and crash detection, so it can connect you to emergency services in the event of a fall or a severe car crash, and lets you call for help with the press of a button. So not only is this a watch, it is definitely an excellent companion. So the band is very comfortable, it's adjustable, and you can also switch out the bands to different options, so it makes it really versatile as well. So we would definitely recommend this Apple Watch Series 9, and that's my point of view.